Good day guys, so we're here to tell you about the viral videos that we've chosen so far. So the one viral video that we've chosen so far is the dredging activities in Zambales. So dredging activities in Zambales have sparked controversy with residents and environmental groups raising concerns about its impact on environment and local livelihoods. So the dredging primarily focused on the Zambales River and tributaries is intended to rehabilitate river channels and mitigate flooding, but has also been linked to coastal erosion and damage to beach resorts. So the key issue of that viral video is the environmental impact. So it is based in the maritime environment. So environmental impact is dredging has been associated with coastal erosion in areas like San Felipe, damaging beachfront properties and resorts. And livelihood concerns is fish folk have reported a decline in a fish catch due to damage to maritime habitats caused by dredging. So reclamation projects, the extracted sand is reported being used for reclamation projects in Manila Bay, particularly in Pasay City and potentially Bulacan. Community oppositions is that residents have voiced strong oppositions to the dredging activities, citing environmental damage and livelihood disruptions. So, local officials have suspended dredging operations in response to public outcry and are investigating the extent of their environmental damage.
So another viral video in the maritime industry is Chinese ship collides while chasing Philippine vessel. So on August 11, 2025, two Chinese ships, a China Coast Guard cutter and a Chinese Navy destroyer collided while pursuing the Philippine Coast Guard BRP Suluan near Scarborough Shoal in the South China Sea. So according to the Philippine Coast Guard, the CCG vessel made a dangerous maneuver from the starboard side of the Philippine ship, unintentionally striking the Chinese Navy ship. The impact caused specifically its forwarding section retending. So my opinion about this issue is the collision between two Chinese vessels near Scarborough Shoal highlights the dangerous escalation of maritime tensions in the South China Sea. It underscores how aggressive maneuvers, regardless of intent, pose serious risk to safety not only for the vessels involved but also for regional peace.
And this will be the last viral report that will be reported today. It is a report about an illegal ship registries and regulatory avoidance. In early 2025, investigative reports uncovered that businessman Sunil Kumar Sharma had been operating a network of illegal ship registries, enabling vessels to sail under false flags. Some of these registries were linked to countries with weak maritime oversight, while others were entirely fabricated. Registering ships to territories like Matthew Island, an uninhabited landmass in the Pacific Ocean with no legitimate government. This allowed vessels connected to sanctioned nations or illicit cargo to bypass floods. Ships avoided taxes, inspections, labor laws, and environmental regulations. And my opinion for this report is about illegal ships registries let vessels hide under fake flags, dodging taxes, safety checks, and sanctions. These loopholes risk oil spills, illegal trades, and crew abandonment. The oceans are lawless zones. We must close these gaps and hold every ship owner accountable for what happens at sea.